Check out this Jeep 2017 Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include heated front seats, quick order package 24 grams included, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVVT transmission, 5-speed automatic, W5A580, body color accent color grille body color appliques front bumper body color appliques rear bumper, 3.21 rear axle ratio, STD, bumper slush mats, engine, 3.6L V6 24 VVVT, STD, radio, 430 nav included, 6.5 inches touchscreen display remote USB port 5-year Sirius XM travel link service 40 GB hard drive W/28 GB available GPS navigation Sirius XM travel link, wheels, 18-inch x 7.5 polished satin carbon, STD,